21 ways to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. Good 21 secret ways to make millions, even billions in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. Welcome to my website. OS Jeremiah is my name, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. If you have been following me quiet a very long time, you have known me already. But if you are new here and this is the first time you come across me, congratulations. Today, you are going to access the tangible secrets ever you can make millions, even billions through the cryptocurrency specialist. So if you are watching in our website, congratulations. But if you are watching in other networks, especially YouTube, make sure that you check the description below or description in other network, and you are going to access the link into our website. And when you get to our website, you are going to access the surprise things that can earn you millions in cryptocurrency industry. So let's go to the menu for this episode without telling story, because we are going to round off everything in the next 10 minutes. Because I used to talk too much when it comes to what I know. So what cryptocurrency means, look at the screen. That is where we are going to start. Cryptocurrency is a decentralized digital currency introduced or launched by Satoshi Nakamoto to rescue humanity out of financial calamity. To rescue humanity out of financial. The purpose of cryptocurrency is to rescue me and you out of financial problem and give us total freedom. So cryptocurrency is your financial birthright. So I will advise you to watch this video to the end, and today you are going to spend the best few minutes ever this year that will change your life. So let's move to the next one in the segment. Well, the first one, what cryptocurrency means? If you don't know, there's a lot of argument across the network. People used to say, what can we buy? We can't do anything with cryptocurrency except exchanging it. What can we buy? Before you say what you can buy with cryptocurrency, let me take you to somewhere. Look at the screen very well. This is Travala. This is Travala. Travala partnered with Binance in the past. So the purpose of Travala is an international hotel booking website. You can book for any hotel in the entire world, and you can pay with cryptocurrency. They accepted cryptocurrency very easily. So it is as simple as that. Let me show you another one aside Travala, an international hotel booking website. Let me show you another one. Look at the screen very well. Amazon by Jeff Bezos is not the biggest, it's not the only giant in United States of America. We still have Overstock. The day Overstock accepted the cryptocurrency as a payment, the entire cryptocurrency industry shook and was shaking quiet for long. So that is it when one of the giants accepted this. So in Overstock is another giant e-commerce website in United States of America. You can buy anything. You can see that there is furniture, there is kitchen utensils. So you can buy anything using the cryptocurrency. You can now see that cryptocurrency has gone beyond our human imagination. So let's follow the menu, please, because we are rounding off in the next 10 minutes. So let's move to the next one in the menu, which is cryptocurrency enemies. There's a lot of cryptocurrency enemies in the past. Jamie Dimon, the leader or the CEO, maybe chief executive officer, the leader of JP Morgan Bank in the foreign country, discussed a lot. He talked against the cryptocurrency a lot in year 2017, but surprisingly today, they accepted cryptocurrency in their bank, and they even have cryptocurrency investment portfolio running for their bank clients. So that is it. You can't fight innovation. No. You can never fight innovation. No one can do it. China used to announce that they banned cryptocurrency several years, and they finally launched CBDC. The full meaning of CBDC is central bank digital currency. You can't fight innovation. You can't. Let me use another case study. Nigerian bank cryptocurrency in the month of February, year 2021, and the same Nigerian launched eNaira, their central bank digital currency called eNaira, using the app called Speed app. And surprisingly, the entire world were being surprised that Nigerian bank cryptocurrency later launched another cryptocurrency. There's a lot of argument in the network that Nigerian cryptocurrency called eNaira was launched through the blockchain technology. But the most important thing is that it was being pioneered by the cryptocurrency. So you can't fight innovation. I think Sabadon is enough as a case study. Sabadon is in the American side, and today they have already legalized. Today, 5th of November, year 2021, they have already legalized Bitcoin. So in Salvadorians can spend, can buy, can sell, can do anything with Bitcoin because of it has been already legalized there. So it is as simple as that. So here you are going to look at few ways to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. So I want you to relax wherever you are watching this episode, because you are going to be surprised about the big things I'm going to show you in the next few minutes. Listen to me. There's one big secret. Number one big way to make crazy money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry: have mentor. Have reliable mentor. I'm not talking about those useless fake mentors disturbing the entire network, because of today everybody used to call himself or herself expert. That is a problem we are facing in the society. So find mentor. It is the entire secret of any industry lie on the mentor. In 2017, by following mentor alone, I realized millions of naira through the secret I access in the mentor. So mentor know where the market is going. They know the new project. They know reliable one. They know where you can enter the market and make an insane return on investment. They know where to invest. I'm talking about the real mentor. I'm talking about real cryptocurrency expert or professional, or mostly cryptocurrency specialists like me. They know everything. So when you have one mentor and you don't have one, congratulations. At the end of this episode, I'm going to give you a link to my community. You can be following me freely for me to be your mentor on a daily basis, because every day I used to share my followers big things ever, especially how to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry across my community. So I'm going to share you one of my community link at the end of this episode. So number 2 way to make big money is a bulletproof entry. Bulletproof entry. What do I mean by bulletproof entry? Let me show you something. How you can make crazy money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry through the bulletproof entry. Let me show you something. Let's use a Bitcoin / USDT demonstrated combination as a case study. Look at the screen very well. This is Bitcoin. Let me take you to where Bitcoin crashed in the month of May, when Elon Musk released the bad news, their inability to accept Bitcoin due to electricity outage in the United States of America. Look at the screen very well. Let me mark it out for you. Bitcoin crashed in this area. But immediately it crashed, nobody knew the bulletproof entry. But look at the price below. That was the minimum price in the same month, around the month of May 20. That's what the price was rejected and returned back up, and the consolidation was very high at $30,000. But what happened again? In few days again, about 1 month, the price was rejected again in the same price. So that was where I detected that this is the bulletproof entry. But Bitcoin at the moment, let's keep scrolling down. Look at it again in the same price, $29,000. So that is a bulletproof entry. But Bitcoin during crash, look at the price, $29,000. Today, look at the price. Bitcoin went as high as $67,000 back October 20, year 2021, in the last 16 days. So can you see the entry price from the selling price now? And you can still manage to sell at, look at the price by the right side now. It is trading at almost $62,000. There is a room for you to make millions in this area, because you have entered the bulletproof entry when other people were panicking. Panicking and emotion are the tangible enemies. FOMO are the third one. 3 tangible enemies of cryptocurrency progress. So that's why I advise you to have mentor in the first one. I made millions through mentor. And the second one is bulletproof entry. Let me use another one as case study. My best friend, which is Binance. Let me use Binance / USDT. Binance / USDT demonstrated combination. So let's go to the same Binance in the month of May, year 2021. Look at the screen where you can see that there is a little identical, homogeneous on the graph. Look at it below, $217. After a month, look at it, $225, around the same price. After a month, $225. So it was in the second phase. It made the price rejected in the first place. I know that this place is very strong. There's a lot of support in this area. Let's go to it a month again. So that is it. The same Binance that was traded around $200 today, look at the price, now went as high as $590. Now trading as went at $590 in the midnight and now trading at $586. So that is it when you know how to enter the bulletproof entry. While others were complaining, and if you still don't believe, lastly, let me show you another case study. When I say bulletproof entry, I know what I'm talking about as a cryptocurrency, especially. The purpose of this episode is to empower you for you to become the giant. Let me take you coin market cap. The time is running very fast. In fact, we are getting to 10 minutes and I don't want to talk too much. So let's go to Solana. I want to show you how you can make millions using the power of a bulletproof entry. Sol or Solana. Let me scroll down a little bit. Now, look at the screen very well. Let me mark it out for you. In the month of January, look at the screen very well. Look at the price. Look at the price. This is Solana. Look at the screen very well. In the month of January 2021, Solana was around $1. The same to Solana today is trading at $242 when it went as high as $250 in the midnight. Now, let's calculate $250. Let's go to the calculator. $250. Let's say you couldn't catch up. You managed to sold at a $240. 240 divided by $1, the price in the month of January, that is 240x or 240 times. Multiplied by, let's say you put $1,000. Congratulations. Let's say you put $1,000. You are now having $240,000. So whatever the country you are, $240,000 is big money. Even when you are in Europe, everybody knows that it's not easy to just get money like that. It's not easy. So even when you invest just $100, you are going to have 24,000. When you invest just $100 in this cryptocurrency, $1,000 will give you 240,000. So that is it. When you know how to access bulletproof entry in this industry, I think these 3 case studies are even enough for any human being, any matured human being to move into the next level. So let me move into another segment. Introducing to you, look at the top on the screen. Introducing to you. Let me go to somewhere here. Introducing to you 21 ways to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. So you can see that 3 case studies I have just showed you now are enough for you to make millions, even billions, and talk less of 21 ways. So let's go to the menu and see what you can get from this episode. The time is running very fast because I don't want to spend more than 10 minutes and it has 12 minutes already. So the first, you can now see that this is worth $1,000. Look at the screen. 21 ways. Look at the top. 21 ways to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. So it is worth $1,000 or 500K. And under this alone, the first bonus, empowerment bonus 1, 3 secret cryptos to invest in now and make millions in 2021. The next Shiba Inu included. Everyone is shouting today, I miss Shiba Inu, I miss Shiba Inu, I miss Shiba Inu. Do you know what's happening in Shiba Inu? Let me go and show you what you have missed in Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Let's go to Shiba Inu. That is what I used to talk about. So the third one is like I give you the mentor, then bulletproof entry, and the third one is trending coins. Let's go to Shiba Inu. I'm sorry. In the 3 ways to make money, let's go to in the few ways to make money in the cryptocurrency. The first one is mentor, second one is bulletproof, and the third one are trending coins. You can benefit trending coins in too many ways. When it is rising, don't jump in because if you don't have technical analysis experience, you are going to fail. You are going to fail because you don't understand the direction of the market. So let the market reverse, then jump in. That is how we used to make money in trending coin. But another way you can make money in the third, then trending coin is buy it when nobody is talking about it. Enter when no one is talking about it. Just like what I'm going to show you in Shiba Inu now. The encounter of my student. Look at Shiba Inu price in the month of January. Shiba Inu was 1. 11, 0 and 1 in the month of January. Now let's go to the calculator. I'm going to show you something that will shake you now. Let's go to the calculator. Shiba Inu today, Shiba Inu went as high as no point no 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 40, no point no 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 88. But let's use just 5. We don't need to use 8. 5 divided by the price in general point, no 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 1. 50 million x 50 million return on investment in $1 invested in Shiba Inu in the month of January. No matter how the country you are, imagine I have bought and sold and bought and sold and bought and sold because of 99% of cryptocurrency specialists will not won't advise you to buy shitcoin, but it's a shitcoin, it's a useless coin. But we used to do it in a sense that we used to do it at times in a sense that we want you to risk a little one after we have done so. Then in that case, we advise you to put just useless money like $10 or $20. So if you lose it, you won't bother yourself. And if you gain, you are lost. And that is exactly what happened to my student that was getting strong at and put $10. Just $10 in in the month of January. And $1 invested will bring 50 million times return on investment. The guy can now feed his entire city. So that is it for this industry. If you will say cryptocurrency is the best in the entire world and the most trendy industry, you see people are moving, rushing from across the industry, across the businesses into the cryptocurrency. They are not lying. They are not, the entire Salvadorian countries, the entire Salvadorians that are now investing in Bitcoin, legalized in Salvador, are not wrong. This is the best industry. You can invest in $1 in this January, now bring $50 million. No matter how the country you are a powerful somebody ever. When you have 50 million, whether euro, pounds, dollar, naira, Canadian dollar, or Japanese yen, or whatever. So it is as simple as that. So that is it. I'm going to give you access in this course to the next Shiba Inu. Look at Empowerment Bonus 1 on the screen. The next Shiba Inu is inside this course. You gain access and future retirement cryptos. I released a particular course recently with the title Future Retirement Crypto. Inside it, I promised 10 solid projects and I added another 3 as bonus. In fact, only 3 have taken over now out of 13. So it's an opportunity for you to get in very quickly because out of 13, 3 have taken over and one done like 12x, another one done like 6x, 7x. And the journey is to reach minimum of 100x per each project. So it's an opportunity for you to get it very quickly because the remaining 10 are yet to take over. So that is what you are going to get freely in the second bonus. And the price is very high. Empowerment bonus 3, advice to you till you earn your first million. People used to complain when they buy course, they don't gain access to the mentor. It's not easy to gain access to the mentor, especially me. Try to understand that it requires millions upon millions for me to give you access to my time because my time is money. I can't just be wasting the time I'm supposed to be in the market, review the market, do this, do that, review the market, study the market, read more about the cryptocurrency, learn forward, spending millions upon millions yearly for me to increase my knowledge to be classical and level up globally among other specialists for me to make an insane money. Then I'll be wasting that precious time in teaching somebody freely. It's not easy. It's not because I'm not a philanthropist. I won't be giving my community how to make millions freely across. So that is it. But here is an opportunity for you when you already got you are going to gain as an empowerment bonus. You look at the screen at the top. Advise you earn your first million. So I won't leave you. I'll be advising forward to you earn your first million. You can now see that. So look at below. Cost recharges is $1,000. 500K Nigerian naira. Bonus worth $999. Total value $1,099. About 1 million in Nigerian naira. Then final price. The schedule for this project is that the first price is $40, second price $100, third price so $200. So the first 50 sign up will benefit $40. Second 25 sign up will benefit $100. Third sign up 15 people will benefit $200 till we reach $1,000. So I don't know whether you may be locked today if you click the sign up below this video now. Click the sign up below this video now. You may be locked to get it at $40 or 20,000 Nigerian naira, or $100 or 50,000 Nigerian naira, or $200, which is 100,000 Nigerian naira. I don't know until you click the link below now. You are going to see. So do so very quickly and sign up so that because you don't know, maybe you are the last number in $40 price. If you are the last number, can you see that you are going to miss the opportunity if you don't take action below this video. So click the sign up link and you're going to be surprised. Then fine. So that is it. You have to take action now to gain access to the cheapest price. So below it we have course format. It's a pure practical video, just like everything you have been learning now. I believe in pure practical video. So contact, look at the screen very well. You can actually access me in wordinternetbillionaire@gmail.com. So in case you want to create any awareness for us, or you need any inquiry or request, look at the screen. We contact wordinternetbillionaires@gmail.com. Send an email to wordinternetbillionaire@gmail.com, or WhatsApp +2348137427016 +2348137427016 for any awareness inquiry or deal. And you can easily access it below this. You can easily access it below this video now. And if you are watching another network, I am very sure that you are going to see link to our website in order to access all this information below the video. Then maybe you look at it this way. Maybe you want to pay with DIDA or USDT or local transfer. Send message to the same email or WhatsApp our contact on the screen for you to pay through the USDT wallet, or do local transfer in whatever, maybe you are in Nigeria, African country, or whatever the country you are, if it is possible, local transfer. Then testimonies. The video is 20 minutes already, and I promise to make it 10 minutes. Testimonies. Let me show you 1 or 2 testimonies. But I think everything that I've been telling you in this episode are enough for you to believe me. But if you don't believe, let me take you to somewhere when it comes to testimony. Look at the screen very well. This is one of my mentees chatting me in the past. This beautiful woman was surprised, was moved, was so happy and joyful. And he changed my name to cryptocurrency. Look at it. That is why I said you are a specialist, because of the way you teach. So this is the woman, one of my mentees, that changed my name to cryptocurrency specialist from cryptocurrency professional. So I can't rate myself. I can't talk about myself. It is the people need to talk about me, need to follow who I am. And this experience, the spiritual breakthrough, financial breakthrough, I was so happy, so joyful. He saw that there is a future in cryptocurrency to make billions, and he changed my name to cryptocurrency specialist. So this is one of my responsible mentee women. Let me show you another one before I leave. Look at the screen below. This is another mentee, a responsible man. It's like this man is in Lagos. I can't remember. One of my mentees, very responsible man. One day he was communicating to me. Look at the screen below. Let's read it together. Seen, sir, and responded. Thanks so much. I have a question. Have you considered opening a YouTube channel? The world needs to hear you. That day, this message touched my spirit, because I abandoned my YouTube channel quiet a very long time. But this one of my mentees, one of my followers, one of my responsible men in the community, one of the people I don't even know, I knew this man for the first time this year, and his message touched me that, Mr. Jeremiah, please let the world hear your voice. You can see below. Please, have you considered opening a YouTube channel? The world needs to hear you. So he said he has already perceived the value that this is a breakthrough man that needs to change the entire world. And the only way is for me to be active on YouTube and the entire world to hear my. So let me go to my YouTube channel. So I just return back to YouTube now, and I promise I'm going to be giving tangible values there. Let me go to YouTube, search for OS Jeremiah in YouTube. Let me open my YouTube. You can just result back now. I have only 4 subscribers. So after you sign up, go and subscribe to my YouTube very, very quickly, and you are going to be surprised. The free information, free content, free highly valued money-making content that can easily you millions, even billions, already uploaded to my YouTube. You can see how to make money in Binary X. Binary X was listed in Binance yesterday, 4th of November, year 2021. And I uncovered the secret how you can make money in Binary X in this year. What you don't know about crypto. So many big things are waiting for you to learn in my YouTube channel. Make sure that you get there. Immediately you get there, make sure that you subscribe immediately. Subscribe immediately. Let me show you where to subscribe. Subscribe immediately. So you are going to see the description below this video. So make sure that you subscribe. Specialist from Nigerian country. How to make money in Binary X. Listed by Binance on today. So you can see November. Yes. So that's it. Go and subscribe now. Make sure that you like, share whatever my video across everything. Make sure that you drop your comment. Let me hear your comments. Let me hear your voice too, for you to encourage me to be talking in my community. If I don't hear your voice, I won't be encouraged to be talking. Then share it across globally. The most important one, make sure that you click the subscribe below any video by the right side or below my profile. Make sure that you click subscribe and put highest notification, and you're going to be surprised the values I'm going to be digging you. So I think you have seen it already. Somebody was begging me to let the world hear my voice in YouTube, because of my word will change the world. So it is by the privilege, it is by the grace, not by my power. So as we are very closing, we are rounding off to this. As we are rounding off this episode, we return to 21 solid ways to make big money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. Let me quickly answer some of the facts, which frequently asked question. Number one, about me. I think everything that I've been saying in this episode, the entire values I've been digging out are enough for you to judge me if truly and be cryptocurrency specially because before you reach cryptocurrency specially, you need to start from cryptocurrency expert level 1, expert level 2, expert level 3, then professional trader, then before you achieve the cryptocurrency specialist. And thank God I didn't even promote myself from professional to specialist. It was one of my mentees student, a responsible woman in my community. So I think let me tell you another maybe one or two things about me. I know market direction. Every day when I look at the market, I don't even need any indicator, because let me tell you three things about me, just three things. I know the market. I know where the market is going temporarily, daily, temporarily, maybe minutes or hours or weekly or monthly. No, I understand whatever the market, whether forex or cryptocurrency or stock or bond or whatever, I understand where the market is going in every market. That this is quietly differentiates me among other specialists. Then number two, under about me, I usually focus on customer success. So when you are dealing with me, you are dealing with the real human being, because how you are going to be successful will be the most important thing to me. And lastly, everybody was born to make world better. I was born to make world better. So it's the duty of me and you to do whatever we can do to make this generation better. So making world better is the most important thing to me. So these are the three among thousands or millions of things that qualify me. Then another question: how can you trust me? Remember that nobody trusts Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Elon Musk dominating the network now. When they came alive fresh, or they started entrepreneurship fresh, you can only trust me by dealing with me. And I think all these case study testimonies are enough, because they are real life testimonies in my DM. So they are enough for you to trust. And if you don't, look at everything that I've been saying from the beginning to this level and judge whether you need to trust me or not. Then another question: what crypto means? Cryptocurrency was introduced to rescue me and you out of financial calamity, to give us our deserving financial birthright. It is as simple as that. How to make millions in crypto? You can make millions in crypto by take action now, because I'm giving you 21 solid ways in my course to make crazy money in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology industry. So you can only make millions by taking action. Always be an action taker, because of action takers we always better than the thinkers. Then another one: how to pay. I've told you already that you can easily pay by click the sign up below now, and you are going to pay with your ATM card. We use Paystack, and Paystack is the most trustable, the biggest, the best payment system in African continent. So if you have been dealing with internet, you must have known Paystack, acquired by Stripe in US in year 2020, last year. Stripe, the Paystack was acquired by Stripe last year based on their agreement, and they continue to bear Paystack. So Stripe can't just acquire a nonsense payment system, and so that is it. That is the payment. You can't just acquire the nonsense payment system if not standard or world class. So that is what I use for all my entire program payment system. So you don't have any problem paying with your card or whatever. When you click payment system and you link to the other side, you are going to see Paystack logo for you to know that you are in the real payment. So you don't have any problem with that. And at the same time, there is a look at the screen very well. You can chat our WhatsApp number on the screen, or send an email to worldentire@gmail.com for you to place order. Paying with data, you can pay through the wallet using the cryptocurrency, DIDA cryptocurrency, or USDT digital dollar, or local transfer through whatever the country. Maybe you are in African country or Nigerian country here, or whatever the country here, you can pay through the local transfer. So you don't have any problem with how to pay. So what differentiated me, I think I've already communicated a lot about what actually differentiated me. I know the market direction. When you want to follow the person who understands where the market is going, congratulations, you just need to follow me freely in my community. I'm going to give you access to one of my community link, because I have about more than 10 communities. So I'm going to give you access to the Telegram channel, where you can access the latest information, highly valued money making information that can earn you millions or billions of whatever be your country's currency on a period basis. So it is as simple as that. So all this differentiates. Another thing that differentiates me once again is customer success. If you buy from me and you are not happy, or you are not being successful within a short run, you won't come back again. What will I gain if you don't come back? So how you are going to be successful is usually being my first priority when you are dealing with me, no matter how the amount involved. And lastly, making world better is the most important thing to me. Then below here, my YouTube channel. I've already shown you my YouTube channel. Then my Twitter handle, at CEO Jeremiah is my Twitter handle. Go and join me in Twitter now. I used to dig out the information you can never believe is this generation ever on my Twitter. Let me show you my Twitter handle. My Twitter handle. Look at the screen at the top by the left side at CEO Jeremiah. At CEO Jeremiah. So go to my Twitter now. Go and follow me on Twitter. You can see that I have only 350 followers and I want to have thousands of more thousand followers. So go and join me for you to add up, and we increase gradually, and we increase together gradually by gradually. A lot of big information are waiting for you on my Twitter. That is where to learn something big, because I used to dig out big information freely ever on Twitter on a daily basis. Now I'm going to give you access to one of my community, which is my Telegram channel. So on your browser, dial t.me or type t.me/CEO Jeremiah Business News, and you are going to land in Telegram website or in my Telegram channel. So join now and be following every hour, because I used to dig out highly powerful money making information that can make you a millionaire, even if not billionaire. You just have to believe anybody can become a billionaire in crypto if you follow the simple instruction or advices. So t.me/CEO Jeremiah Business News is my Telegram link. Type it on your browser and join my community now. And lastly, another course is still live in my company with the title Cryptocurrency Trading Professional Course. You want to be a cryptocurrency trading professional that will have confidence to be communicating anywhere you are all over the world, gain access to the big things ever that are in you, millions upon millions, even billions in cryptocurrency industry. Cryptocurrency is the best now, the best business in the entire world, and the most trending business on the internet today. So the best way for you to achieve more in this industry is because it's not good when others are buying, you don't know how to buy. Others are talking, you don't understand their languages, you don't understand cryptocurrency languages. Others are doing something great. They are making money in Launchpad, in Binance, in Coinbase, everywhere, but you don't know how to do it. This can easily help you, cryptocurrency trading professional, where you can, a course that will allow you to become a world-class cryptocurrency professional trader. It doesn't matter if you don't have knowledge like me. We all started somewhere. So this course will help you. So you can easily ask in our Telegram channel. You can drop the comment to ask for the website link. At the same time, you can chat our WhatsApp or send message to the worldinternetbillionaire@gmail.com to ask for the link. But the link is as simple as t.me. The link should be t.me/ no. The link should be World Internet Billionaires. Let me type the link for you on the screen. worldinternetbillionaire.com/21 ways. 21 ways. Supposed to be like this. You can use slash or hyphen, either of the two. Use slash or hyphen. worldinternetbillionaires.com/ so sorry, this one is 21 ways / cryptocurrency trading professional CTP. worldinternetbillionaires.com/ CTP. So is the link. worldinternetbillionaire.com/ CTP is the link to join to access this course, and you can also ask in our Telegram channel or ask through the WhatsApp. So far you have been hearing the voice of OS Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist in Nigerian country. The first question I'm going to ask you now is that have you taken action? Have you taken the necessary action? That is the big question I'm going to tell you now. So remember, which condition are you going to be when others are celebrating in the future and you refuse to make a white decision sign, and you refuse to access the information that will make you the biggest giant ever, that will be celebrating among others, making millions, even billions in cryptocurrency industry? I want you to notify which condition are you going to be in the future if you don't take action now. Maybe the price remain $40, 20,000 Nigerian naira before you complete the first 50 sign up that will benefit that price, and the next 25 will benefit $100. The following 15 will benefit $200. So in which condition will you be if you don't benefit any of those prices? But when you take action now and click the sign up below this video in the website, or if you are on YouTube or other social network, check the description, click the link to our website, click the sign up button below the video, and you are going to access the present bonus before the bonus reach another, because we don't know if you are the last sign up for the present crazy bonus opportunity. So that is it. It is an opportunity for you to take now, for you not to ever realize it. You can see that $40, $100, whatever can make the big shopping. People use thousands of dollars, or hundred or 200 of thousands in Nigerian country, or a lot of money in African continent doing shopping alone. So $40 in the first segment cannot buy the quality shoe. $100 cannot give you the quality wears. I know the shoe of $1,000. People buy a shoe of $2,000. So this will earn you money. That might be luxury to you. It depends on your capacity. When you have money, it won't be luxury. When you don't have, it is going to be luxury to you. But it depends on your condition. So nothing luxurious when there is money. So it is as simple as that. Now imagine you just 3 case studies given to you here for you to reach the level. What of if you gain access to the entire 21 secrets that will make you giants wherever you are on the internet, or when people are talking about the cryptocurrency industry, why others are frustrating? 21 shortcuts, 21 tangible shortcuts for you to escape the rat race, which is poverty. Make use of any of the 21 money making secrets in the cryptocurrency industry and make millions upon billions. So far, you have been hearing once again the voice of OS Jeremiah, your cryptocurrency specialist from Nigerian country. Thank you so much for taking your time to have been capturing everything in this episode. Thank you so much. Meet me live in Inside 21 Ways to Make Big Money in Cryptocurrency and Blockchain Technology Industry. And you are going to be surprised the untold, the tangible, the hidden secret that can easily make you a billionaire as soon as possible. I'm talking about the nearby future. Bye for this episode. Meet me in the 21 Ways room. Thank you. Bye.